Cleans all K&N home air filters. Restores performance. Helps restore your filter to exceptional performance by removing filter clogging buildup. Renewed efficiency. Restores airflow efficiency so your K&N air filter performs like new. Top reviews from the United States. Simply gets the job done. This cleaner is a must-have if you have an K&N home air filter on your home furnace. This cleaner is super simple to use and does an amazing job of getting your filter clean and ready to use again. All you need to do is follow the simple instructions on the bottle, wet the filter spray on the cleaner, then let sit for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse with water, then let filter air dry. Using this cleaner with a K&N home air filter will certainly allow for the filter to last for years and years. I have used this cleaner twice now to clean my filer, and the filter comes out looking like new after I am done cleaning it. I am super happy as using the cleaner and filter have really made an air quality difference in my home and allowed my allergies to get better. Highly recommend the cleaner and K&N home air filter as well. You will not be disappointed if you get them. Top-notch product and company.